In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use webhooks in Freshsales. A webhook lets Freshsales automatically send data to another app the moment something happens, so you don't have to poll or export data manually. We'll set this up inside a workflow so that specific events in your CRM can notify your external system in real time. Start by opening Freshsales and heading to Admin Settings. From there, go to Teams and Territories. Then open Workflows, sometimes labeled as Automation Rules. Workflows are the engine that listen for changes and perform actions, and that's exactly where a webhook belongs. Click Create Workflow. You'll be asked to choose a module, such as Contacts or Deals. Pick the module that contains the records you want to watch. This choice determines which fields and events are available later, so select the one that aligns with your integration needs. Next, choose your trigger. This defines when the workflow runs. For example, you can trigger it when a contact is created. That means every time a new contact record is added, Freshsales will fire the workflow and, eventually, send the webhook. Think carefully about timing here. Creation, updates, or stage changes each carry different implications for when your external system receives data. Now add the webhook action. In the Actions section, select Trigger Webhook. This is where you configure how Freshsales will call your external service. Set the request type. Post is typically best because it lets you send a structured body with the data. Only choose another method if your receiving endpoint requires it. Then enter the callback URL, the exact endpoint in your app or integration that will receive the request. Use a secure, stable HTTPS URL that's prepared to accept incoming requests from Freshsales. Add headers if your endpoint needs them. Commonly, you might include an authorization header so your external service can verify the request. Only include the headers your endpoint requires, and avoid putting any secrets directly in the URL. Configure the payload or body. Choose the fields to send and format them as JSON. Include identifiers like record IDs along with the specific fields your integration needs, and keep it minimal to reduce exposure of unnecessary data. Make sure the field names and data types match what your receiving service expects. Finally, save and activate the workflow. Once it's on, Freshsales will send the webhook whenever the trigger condition occurs. From there, your external app can process the data, log it, or kick off its own automations, giving you a streamlined, real-time connection between Freshsales and the rest of your stack.